Now next topic is fertilization. Fertilization. The fusion of male and female gamete is called fertilization. It takes place in fallopian tubes. It takes place in fallopian tubes immediately after ovulation if sperms are available. This is the one of the most important question. Fertilization where takes place? Fertilization takes place in fallopian tube. Sperms deposited during deposited in vagina during the mating or intercourse. During mating or intercourse, and sperm reaches to the uterus and goes up to the fallopian tubes. Meanwhile, ovum which are released from the ovary reaches into the fallopian tube and where sperm and ovum fuse. Sperm When sperm touches the ovum, an enzyme called as lysine secretes and dissolves the wall of the ovum and enters into the ovum. Now nucleus of the sperm fuse with the nucleus of the ovum. Suppose this is the ovum, this is sperm. Here lysine enzyme secretes which dissolve the wall of the ovum. Nucleus of this enters into this. This is nucleus of ovum. This is nucleus of sperm. Both nucleus of sperm and nucleus of ovum fuse and fertilization takes place. After fertilization, pregnancy begins. The fertilization and pregnancy are marked by the absence of menstruation. Now a new term came here, menstruation. This is the characteristic feature of the mammals, female mammals in higher animals, higher mammals. In human females, egg is not when egg is not fertilized, there is monthly discharge of blood and debris through vagina. This is called menstruation. The cycle is of 28 days in many girls and women. Actually, in this, uterus prepare itself for the pregnancy. Its wall, that means inner lining of the uterus, becomes highly glandular and highly vascularized. Highly glandular, highly spongy and highly vascularized. Vascularized means there is more supply of blood for nutrition. When egg is not fertilized, the uterus wall undergoes degradation and degeneration. Due to degeneration, blood capillaries ruptures and bleeding occurs. This with bleeding, degenerated cells and mucus and discharge outside through the vagina. This is called menstruation. The bleeding duration is of 2 to 8 days, generally 4 to 5 days. This is called menstruation period. This period is marked with the beginning of 28 days long, called menstruation cycle. Now In females, menstruation does not come since birth. It starts when female attain puberty. Onset of menstruation, that means first menstruation, is called menarche. Is called menarche. Very important term. Onset of menstruation is called menarche. While at the age of 45 to 50 years, the menstruation ceases. That means stoppage of menstruation is called menopause. It is called menopause. Menarche, onset of menstruation, and menopause, stoppage of menstruation. If fertilization occurs, then wall of the uterus does not degenerate and slimy and secretory throughout the pregnancy. Therefore, during pregnancy, no menstruation occurs. Now, what is placenta? Placenta is a physiological connection between the mothers and embryo. Through this placenta, suppose this is the uterus, here placenta, here baby attached through the umbilical cord. Now, basic requirements, it provides basic requirements: food, respiratory, gases, excretion, provided by placenta. Now, embryonic development. After fertilization, the zygote immediately starts divide repeatedly by mitosis. This division is known as cleavage and form a solid mass of cell known as morula. Morula, that means morula now enters into the cavity of the uterus and get deeply attached with the uterus wall. When morula, that means at morula stage implantation occur. Implantation occur at which stage? Morula stage. This occurs at the seventh day after fertilization. Now, a special type of tissue developed between the embryo and wall of the uterus is called placenta. Placenta contains many finger-like villi which help to strengthen the placental connection. The development of fetus inside the uterus is till birth is called gestation. The development of fetus inside the uterus is called till birth is called gestation period. Human beings about 280 days, about 40 weeks and 9 months. About 40 weeks or 9 months long. It is calculated from the first date of the menstruation cycle. It is calculated from the first day of the last menstruation cycle. Now, birth of a baby. The coming out of fully developed baby from the mother body after the completion of the gestation period is called parturition. Parturition means birth of a baby. In this, uterus undergoes rapid contraction and relaxation, and in this case, vagina becomes highly dilated and creates a pain called as labor pain. The contraction and pains initiated by the hormones called oxytocin hormone, which is secreted by the pituitary gland. Finally, baby comes out from the mother's body through vagina. After birth, placental connection, umbilical cord is surgically detached.